Check the filter cloth regularly for holes and tears. Also check the layer of starch on the drum. If there is only a small layer of starch with an irregular layer as you see here, the filter belt of the vacuum filter is dirty and needs to be cleaned or replaced. This is to avoid loss of capacity. When replacing the filter cloth of the vacuum filter, first make sure the vacuum filter is stopped when the cloth mono clipper is easily accessible. Move the cloth control automat away from the cloth towards the clamp. Measure the position and angle for easier repositioning of the new cloth. Release tension on the cloth by lowering the tensioner axle and unscrew the two knobs to the left and right of the machine. Remove the support roll from the vacuum filter. Now, pull out the string from the cloth mono clipper. Check the condition of the drum rubber packing strips, the filter grids and the support rolls. Clean the drum before fitting the new filter cloth. With the replacement of the new cloth, make sure the mono clipper overlap is pointing in the correct direction to avoid the cloth being damaged by the knife discharge. Bring the cloth ends to each other and connect them through the mono clipper system. Then push the string through the row of tiny holes. Make sure the tiny holes are in line for easier fitting of the string. Remount the support roll. Screw the knobs of the tensioner axle to bring the filter cloth on tension. After replacement of the new filter cloth, start the rotation of the drum and check the path of the cloth carefully. To do so, adjust with the tensioner knobs to the left or right of the filter cloth so it runs in a straight line in the center of the drum. No sucking noise should come from vacuum leakage passing the sides of the cloth.